This 2020 Honda has 40,000 miles. Or does it? I'm about to show you how dealers roll back odometers and the 5 checks that catch them every single time. Odometer fraud costs buyers $14,000 per vehicle in 2026. It's called clocking, and it's exploding with digital odometers. Because unlike old mechanical gauges, computers can be hacked. A $200 programmer can erase 100,000 miles in minutes. But the car always remembers. Here's how to read it. Check number 1. Pull the Carfax and the AutoCheck report. Never trust just one. They pull from different databases. Look for mileage gaps or rollbacks between service records. If the report shows higher miles than the odometer, walk away. Check number 2. Scan the car's computer modules with an OBD scanner. The odometer module isn't the only place mileage is stored. Check the transmission module, ABS module, and airbag computer. If they don't match, that car's been clocked. Pro tip, even a $20 Bluetooth scanner from Amazon works for this. Check number 3. Inspect every maintenance sticker under the hood. Oil change shops write the mileage on every sticker. Compare that number to the current odometer reading and the date. A 2-year-old sticker showing higher miles? That's your smoking gun. Check number 4. Look at the condition versus claim miles. A 40,000-mile car should have nearly new pedals. Check the driver's seat bolster and steering wheel shine. If the wear looks like 100,000 miles, it probably is. Replace seats or steering wheel. Major red flag for fraud. Check number 5. Call the previous service shops directly. Get the VIN from the door jamb and call every shop listed. Ask them to read their last recorded mileage for that VIN. They keep these records forever and they'll tell you for free. This is the move that catches 90% of fraud cases. If a dealer refuses to give you the VIN, leave immediately. Odometer fraud is a federal crime with 3 years prison time. But catching it after you by means months of legal hell. These 5 checks take 15 minutes and save you thousands. Here's your fraud detection checklist for 2026. 1. Pull both Carfax and AutoCheck reports. 2. Scan all computer modules for mileage mismatches. 3. Check every maintenance sticker under the hood. 4. Match wear patterns to the claimed mileage. 5. Call previous service shops for VIN history. Save this video, share it, and never get scammed on mileage again.